It will rain in December.
December.
January will be raining there and there.
January
December will be very partially.
December
if we cannot play much, hunger will attack us. You who have got some little farm or big farm, please put a very big ridge there so that in front, in the middle, and at the end. So that when the land can try to take out all the ridge, at least that big one can protect it.
It
will be the land that is coming is a disastrous one. The thunders will kill not 10, not 5, not 15, not 20, but at least more people. We just need to pray. Don't take advantage with this land. This land is not good. But because it comes from the owner, it is a good one. It will not do this only in Malawi, but all over Africa. Lilongwe. It will be a bit worse. Though it will follow something that will not be good. Something also will follow. In addition to rain. In December, if we cannot play more, there will be something that will make our flag to go down. We need to pray. I should pray for you. You should pray for your neighbor. Your neighbor should pray for the neighbor. That's how we must live from today. I beg you, as a servant of Most High God, grandson of Moses, don't take advantage of this land. The land that we experience this year, it will be like for 2011. The same angel who was opening the tap is the one who is there again. The angel who was in 2011 is the one which is pressed there again. Live luscious, our people, so that we should be spared. Amen. Amen. Are you there?
Yes.
Take this message out there. Warn everyone out there. Don't forget our ceremony. In every plan, involve who? In every plan, involve who? I can hear you. In every plan, involve who? I can hear you. In every plan, involve who? God bless you. Lift up your hand.